Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 15 December 2025, Nifty index opened positive and inched higher throughout the day with intraday swings. Overall, undertone remained positive and it managed to cross 26,050 zones to close at its highest bands with gains of around 150 points. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame and broke its lower lows formation of the last 4 trading sessions. It formed a small-bodied candle on the weekly basis. India VIX was down by 2.8% to 10.1 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.15. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,600 to 26,500 levels, while immediate trades is in between 25,800 to 26,300 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 396 crores, while DIIs or buyers were 2,828 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 10%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to continue to hold above 26,000 zones for a bounce towards 26,150 and 26,250 levels, while supports can be seen at 25,900 and 25,800 marks. Bank Nifty has to hold above 59,250 for an up move towards 59,500 and 59,750 levels, while support can be seen at 59,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Hindustan Zinc, GMR Airport, Hindalco, Vedanta, MCX, Lupin and Axis Bank, while some weakness could be seen in Asian Paints, HUL, Mastock, HAL and Max Healthcare. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.